This is Petunia, a cute little blue tit that I wouldn't have met if it wasn't for this amazing smart feeder from Reli Birddy. Welcome to the Bird Band, this is Ada, and today I'm gonna be unboxing and setting up this smart feeder. Hi friends, welcome back to the Bird Band. Today I'm gonna be unboxing and setting up this amazing smart bird feeder from Reli Birddy. If you love birds as much as I do, this might be your next favorite gadget. But first things first, let's see what's inside. The packaging is pretty neat and everything is well protected. The first thing you find is the user manual, and it also includes a helpful guide on bird feeding with pictures of some species. In my case, I know I'll be seeing a lot of house sparrows. Next, we have two boxes with mounting accessories and the solar panel. And finally, here is the smart feeder itself. It feels sturdy and well made. This feeder from Reli Birddy has a built-in camera that streams live video to your phone. It's waterproof. It has a motion sensor to detect birds, and it even identifies bird species for you. How cool is that? Let's set it up. The assembly is pretty straightforward, and if you download the app, it will guide you step by step. Once you pair the camera to the app, it's very easy to assemble. I love the fact that there is this little bridge to drain the water in case it rains, so the food doesn't go bad. Whenever it detects movement, it sends you a notification and records by itself for the next 20 seconds so you don't miss the bird. Next, fill it up with some high quality bird seed. I recommend a mix that attracts a variety of firebirds. Now it's time to go outside. I'm installing it in a spot that gets plenty of natural light for the solar panel and it is easy for birds to access. Also make sure it's high enough to keep predators away and not too close to windows. Comprou castigo. And finally, install the solar panel. Just attach the feeder to the mounting bracket and secure it tightly. Et voila! I can see the feeder live right on my phone. The camera has infrared lights to be able to watch during the night and a light that you can control with the app. And you can also turn the camera off directly from your phone. And that's it! The Reli Birddy Smart Feeder is ready to use. Now I can enjoy bird watching without spooking the wildies. And the best part? I can watch it with the vlog. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what birds you'd love to attract. Thanks for watching and happy birding!